Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy tassel. It can be used for a number of projects. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you get notified when I release new videos, and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Let's go ahead and jump into what we need to make this tassel, and let's get into it. Materials for this are really basic. You just need a pair of sharp, good scissors. I like to use a DVD case. You can use a book or whatever you want for your tassel size, and then some yarn. I'm using 4-weight yarn. Let's jump into today's easy tutorial. Now, to begin our tassel, you can either go long ways or short ways. For mine, I'm going to make them extra long. Now I just start at the bottom and hold it here and start to wrap around. Now once I make it back up to the top, that's once I get down here, that's 1, 2, 3. So I go ahead and I wrap it around a total of 60 times. If you want a thicker tassel or a thinner tassel, again, you can go this way. If you want them shorter, you can do more, you can do less. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my 60, and I'll meet you back here. Now I went ahead and I wrapped it around 60 times. Now I'm gonna set this down, I'm gonna grab my scissors, and I'm just gonna cut it right at the end. Now what I wanna do is I'm gonna grab up, let's see, dropping my yarn all over the floor. Okay, so we're gonna grab up a little bit of yarn, we're gonna cut that, and then we're gonna duplicate that. So we want 2 of those. Okay, just like that. That doesn't have to be an exact size or anything. Now what I like to do is I kind of grab this, make sure you're grabbing all of your yarn, and pull this through the bottom, okay? Then we want to move this all the way up to the top. Make sure it's even, and then we're just going to kind of leave that there. Okay. Now what we want to do is take our scissors. You want to make sure you have really sharp scissors. And we're going to cut along all of these. Okay. So just snip, snip, snip away. And it depends on how much you have. Again, you want to make sure you have sharp scissors. It's kind of hard to do this with the camera in front of me. But I'm going to snip the rest of these off camera, and then I will meet you back here. Goodness gracious. So it is quite difficult. You just gotta work and hack away at it. All right. So I went ahead and cut the last one. Now very carefully grab the one that you wrapped under, and we can remove this, put it aside. Now what we want to do is make a knot right on top. Okay, we're going to cinch that up. We're going to do a few times. Okay. And now we want to grab our little fluff muffin and lay it down. Now the second piece that we cut is what we are going to wrap around, so keep this up top. Now grab your new piece and just kind of wrap it around until it's about, about even. And then I like to go, I don't know, what is this, a 1/2 inch? I actually have my tape measure right here. This doesn't have to be exact. Okay, 2 inches, or 1.5 inches down. It doesn't have to be exact. So now that we have this, we need to tie it. Okay. And here is one. I'm going to tie it about 3 times, and then I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to tie it again on the other side. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it. Turn this and make a few more knots. Like that. You could do a few more if you wanted to be even more cautious. And then at this point, I just go through and I try to trim these up as close as I can to the other length. Okay, like that, like that. And then if you had a project, then you would take these two and tie it to whatever you were making. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make this easy tassel. If they are uneven like mine are, you can go ahead and trim it up however you'd like. You could even just take a razor blade and cut it. That's what happens if you cut along the side instead of right in the middle. But again, I make it nice and long so that I can adjust the sizing. I would rather have a tassel that's too long and needs to be trimmed than one that's too short. Anyways, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Leave me a comment, and I will see you guys all next time.